Hello guys. Today I will demonstrate how to quickly create a business card. Watch how I easily create a business card. Select Ellipse tool. Here use Shape Builder tool. I have created some objects that can be used for this business card. You can follow my lead, so you won't have to waste your time. Follow all tips step by step. Here is an advanced text created for easy use. Set the logo here. Here I want to share that the idea is not only for your business card. You can use these tips in any design. If you find my channel and tutorials helpful, please consider subscribing, and sharing. Like and subscribe our channel for more update. Thanks for watching.